Today in this video I am going to show you how you can root Lenovo tablet tb-7504X device or MediaTek. First, download DevCheck application from Play Store and see your device's processor. Make sure it is MediaTek. After, you need to download 3 applications: zarchiver, init.d.zip support and Magisk Manager. Open Google Play Store. Search for zarchiver and install it. Again, search for init.d.zip support and install it. Link for these applications will be in description. Now you need to download Magisk Manager APK and script 7z file. Now click on this link from description. Click on download link of Magisk Manager. After downloading APK, open it. Click on Settings. Allow installation from unknown source. And again open it and install it. Go to this link on description box. Click. There will be 3 link for file. Click on mega.nz link. Accept cookies. Click download. Save file. It will download it on your download folder. Link to click on it will open like this. Click download. It will open another tab. Close it and again click on download. Open zarchiver. Allow permission. Go to download folder. Click on init.d folder. Extract script. Open init.d.zip support application. Accept. Allow permission. Click on select folder. Click on Save button. Click on Run Script now. Watch ad for 30 seconds and your free trial will be activated. Again, click on Run Script now. Click on Show Last Execution Result. If it is green, you good to go. Open Magisk Manager. Open Magisk Manager. And you can manage your rooted application.